How to design a banner in 10 easy steps. Design according to dimensions. Only if you design for proper dimensions will your banner have a proper view. Remember to adapt your banner into different sizes. Adaptation is crucial. Remember the dinosaurs? Background image, logo, and text must live together in peace. Think of your banner like a symphonic orchestra, not a punk rock band. Choose images that are relevant to your banner's proposal. Kittens are always lovely, but only use them if it's a pet food banner. Check freepik.com to find great images. In the text, like in fashion, less is more. Refine your message to the simplest form. Include a call to action. It could be something like, more info, get yours, let's start. Visual hierarchy is the golden rule. Guide the consumer's eyes to the message quickly and clearly. Make sure your main idea is seen. Make your target understand what you want to say with your banner. GIF is a gift for animated banners. Keep the file size as small as possible. Bring your banner to life. Sounds logical, right? Use animation to grab your target. Check these resources in Freepik collections before designing your banner.